Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw Baby Groot back bling. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm going to draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm going to draw the left side of his head with a curved line downwards right there. And at the bottom point right there, I'm going to make a semicircle turn inwards to the right. Turn it downwards. At that point, a curved line diagonally out. Another curved line outwards. And a curved line sideways to his hand. A diagonal turn at that corner. Turn it downwards. Diagonal turn back to the right at that lower point. And a curved line out from this point, semicircle turn back to the right and curved line upwards. And at the side of the thumb there, I'm gonna draw a line up and back down diagonally. At the side of the left, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line down and back in. From the wrist, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line back inwards to the right. Semicircle turn at the corner slightly upwards and another curved line at that corner to the right. Turn it sideways at that corner, and at the side of his shoulder right here, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line downwards, semicircle turn to the right and turn it downwards with a curved line. Now I'm gonna go back to the head and I'm gonna draw from this upper point a curved line upwards, turn it out, and at that point I'm gonna make a curved line across, curved line diagonally up and to the right, semicircle turn back down at that corner, and at the base there I'm gonna draw a curved line across, turn it diagonally up and to the right, semicircle turn sideways and turn it upwards. Semicircle turn downwards on the right side, and I'm going to trace the same curved line back to the left. Turn it downwards at that corner, sideways, and a diagonal line up. Turn it upwards, sideways, back down, and diagonal turn back to the base. And at that corner, a diagonal line downwards. Another diagonal line out to the right and turn it slightly down. Turn it back up, sideways, and follow the same path back to the base. And at the side of that branch, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line downwards and to the right, turn it downwards. A curved line diagonally out at that corner, across, diagonally back down, semicircle turn at that point and turn it to the left diagonally, turn it back down at that corner, semicircle turn to the left diagonally and turn it downwards. At that point I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards, turn it diagonal to the elbow point, a curved line at that corner, and a curved line diagonally all the way to the wrist, turn it downwards at the wrist, diagonal turn outwards and turn it downwards, semicircle turn to the left, and I'm gonna copy the same shape at this corner again, semicircle turn to the right, upwards, diagonal turn it sideways to the side of the thumb, diagonal turn downwards, sideways, semicircle turn back to the left, turn it back up, and diagonal turn to the wrist. From that point, I'm going to draw a line upwards, diagonally, turn it up, and another curved line all the way back to the side of his body. Below the arms, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, and below that, straight line down. I'm gonna draw a straight line down on the left side as well. Now I'm gonna go back and draw the secondary branch at the back. At this corner, a diagonal line across, turn it downwards. And at this point, a diagonal curved line to the right and a diagonal line to the left and up, across, back down on the right side, semicircle turn downwards and diagonal turn to the left. On the left side, I'm going to draw some curved line right there and another one at the side and at this left side right there. Now for his eyes, I'm going to draw an oval shape at this corner, and inside of that I'm going to draw a circle on the top left corner, and I'm going to fill this space with black color. And on the top left side of the eye, I'm going to trace the same oval shape around. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side right here. Now for the mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line down below the left eye right here. And for the lower part of the mouth, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally downwards, turn it straight in the middle point and back up on the right side, and a curved line at the side as well. For the upper line of the mouth, I'm going to turn it downwards from the corner, turn it back upwards and cross to the right and turn it back up on the right side. I'm gonna fill in that space with black color. Now for the vase below, I'm gonna draw an oval shape from this corner, turn it inwards and back to the left right there. And I'm gonna draw a similar oval at this outer corner as well. And from the side, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards on both the left and right, slightly inwards. And at that corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line across and downwards at this inner point, across, and I'm gonna do some wavy line at this point. At the tip right there, I'm gonna make a sharp turn downwards, back in, and to the side, turn it back diagonally to the left, downwards, and turn it up, turn it back down, and sideways. Sharp turn back to the right at this lower point and across at the side, turn it downwards, diagonal turn to the left, sideways, slightly up, back down, and curve it to the left side. At that corner, I'm going to draw a curved line across, turn it downwards on the right side here, sharp turn back up to the left point. Below on the right, I'm going to trace the same line at this lower point to the right, turn it upwards at this corner right there, and for the branch on the left, a curved line across right there, turn it downwards on both sides, a curved line at the outer point here, turn it inwards, diagonal turn upwards, semicircle turn downwards diagonally to the right and turn it back up, a line up, and I'm going to trace the same line back outwards. Below that shape, a diagonal line downwards and sideways. At the side of that, on the right, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line up, sideways, and diagonally back down. At this outer corner, a curved line downwards, semicircle turn to the right diagonally. Now below that, at the sides, I'm gonna continue the line of the vase downwards, and at the base of that, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. Slightly above that, I'm gonna draw some uneven zigzag line across right there, and above I'm gonna draw around the top here some zigzag lines right there, and another one at this lower point. Now for the wooded pattern on his face, I'm gonna draw at this branch here a curved line right there, a similar curved line below right there, and on the right side I'm gonna follow the side line right there, and on this branch on the left here I'm gonna follow the side line right there, and above the eye a line up at the middle point and at the side, and in the middle point of the right eye right there, in the middle of the eye a few lines like that, and at the side of the face on the right there, below the mouth and below the face on the left side here and there. Now for the veins on his body, on the left arm I'm gonna draw a curved line sideways and turn it outwards at that point, and another similar line at the lower point here. Below the hand on the left side I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line out, sharp turn back to the side, and on the right arm at this point a curved line sideways diagonally, turn it out and back downwards at the outer corner. A similar line below that from the same point above right there, and on his body a curved line coming in from this point, turn it downwards, turn it diagonally to the right and downwards, and below that I'm gonna draw a similar line at the lower point. Now for the patterns on his body, I'm gonna take this point below the head and draw a line down at the side on the right, curved line diagonally to the right, turn it downwards and out at this lower point. Below that a similar line at this corner right here and turn it downwards. On the right side I'm gonna draw a curved line right there. At the base of the neck here a line up and to the side, and a line down from that point right there. Now for the lower part of the body I'm gonna draw some curved line at this lower point below. On his arm, curved line at the side here to that point, and another one below that. On the right side right there a few curved lines, and at the lower arms a line down, a curved line diagonally down to the side, and a similar line at the side of it. At the front point a curved line downwards and turn it towards the side of the thumb below, curved line at the side, and another similar curved line at the outer point towards the finger right there. For the left side we're gonna draw a curved line at this corner. On the lower arm right there, and branch it out to the right and to the elbow. From this point, a curved line towards the side of the thumb. A few curved lines on the finger right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!